Ever wonder why ice holds shape, water flows, and air fills a balloon? Today, we'll discover the unique properties of solids, liquids, and gases. Next, we'll dive into how their molecules are arranged and what makes each state distinct. Let's start with solids, where particles are packed tightly, only vibrating in fixed positions. Imagine a disciplined dance troupe, each member staying in their spot but wiggling with energy. This arrangement gives solids a fixed shape and volume, like a sturdy ice cube that never changes form. Building on that, let's explore how liquids behave. In liquids, particles are still close but can slide past each other, like a bustling crowd. This means liquids take the shape of their container but maintain a fixed volume. Watch how water effortlessly pours, adapting to any glass while keeping the same amount. But what happens when particles get even more freedom? Gases have particles far apart, moving rapidly and randomly with high energy. Think of them as super energetic runners, bouncing off everything in their path. Consequently, gases have no fixed shape or volume, they expand to fill any space. Just like how air completely fills a balloon, taking its entire volume. So, how do these states stack up side by side? Solids have dense, orderly particles, liquids are close but fluid, gases are distant and chaotic. Solids have fixed shape and volume. Liquids have fixed volume but fluid shape. Gases lack both. As a quick check, solids and liquids are difficult to compress, while gases are highly compressible. In summary, the key difference lies in particle arrangement and movement. Remember, solids are rigid, liquids flow, and gases expand to fill space. Now you know why ice holds form, water flows freely, and air fills that balloon perfectly. Keep an eye out for these amazing states of matter all around you, they're truly fundamental.